Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will unbox Cult Beauty 2020 August goodie bag. As far as I know, inside we have samples, travel size and full size products. Let's dive in, I'm so excited! And first product is by the brand Wishful Chin Lift Sculpting Sheet Mask. Okay, lovely. Here we have a product by the brand Audacité Pure Elements. Is a facial serum special formulated for problem skin. Next is a shower gel by the brand Molten Brown Fairy Pink Pepper. This shower gel smells amazing. And here is a face mask from 111 Skin Sub-Zero Depuffing Energy Facial Mask. I love face mask, so welcome! Next we get a mini product from NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Star Woman 2779. Let's see the color. Is a dark red shade. Lovely. Here we have a product from Augustinus Bader. I hope I spelled it right. The Rich Cream is a super rich hydrating cream. Next we have Malin Goats Bergamot Deodorant. Is a natural deodorant. Here is a Cult Beauty product, cotton pads. Inside we have 5 cotton pads. I love them, already used them, lovely. Next is Natasha Denona Eyeshadow Palette 5. Here I have a palette 8, is gorgeous. Natasha Denona palettes are amazing. Very happy with this product. Here is a face mask from Pathology, Flash Mask with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. Welcome, my dear. And next is a sample from Charlotte Tilbury, Magic Cream Light. I tried the original Magic Cream and wasn't very impressed, was too thick and rich. So yeah, I'm curious about this one. Here we have a product from Pai, Light Work Rose Hip Cleansing Oil. Very happy with this product. Pai is a brand that I was curious to try. Next is a product that I tried before and I love it, Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Face Mask. Very popular and very good product. Here we have Zoeva Voyager Travel Brush Set. Let's see which brushes we got. And here we have 142 Concealer Buffer. I already have this one, is amazing. 322 Brow Line. 228 Lux Crease, and this one is gorgeous. And the last one, 234 Lux Smoky Shader. Next we have a product from the brand Algenist. Genius Collagen Calming Relief. Here is a hair product from Voyager. I hope I spell it right. Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. Another hair product as well from Inner Sense Hydrating Hair Mask. Repair and revitalize dry, coarse, damaged hair. Sounds good. Here is a product from Caudalie, Vino Pure Clear Skin Purifying Toner. I love Caudalie, very happy with this product. And here is a sample from IT Cosmetics Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep. Is a night cream. IT Cosmetics is a new brand for me, very curious to try this product. And the last product is from Ren, Overnight Recovery Balm. Now let's see what we found inside of this Cult Beauty goodie bag. I found 6 full-size products and this is amazing. The selection of a product are lovely. I'm so happy with this goodie bag. I can't wait to try everything. And this was today's clip. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching!